Hello guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video, we are going to talk about the best payment gateways for businesses and freelancers who want to receive payment from multiple companies and businesses located in different countries. The first one on the list is PayPal. PayPal is one of the best payment gateways around the world. This is used by most of the companies and freelancers to receive payments. In some countries, it does not work to send payments, but it can receive payments. The great thing about PayPal is that it can be easily integrated into a website for receiving payments. The second one on the list is Payoneer. Payoneer gives you access to its services by simply doing some verification. If you want to make your account on Payoneer, so you can easily make by just doing some verification process. Payoneer lets you receive payment from credit card, debit card, or even PayPal. The thing most people don't like about Payoneer is that this can't be integrated into a website like PayPal. It just lets you send an invoice to receive payments. Now let's come to the third one. Why is this the best payment gateway for you if you would like to receive your payment through bank account details? If you are a freelancer or businessman and want to receive payment from any country in the world through bank account details, you can send your Wise account details. All the payment gateways I mentioned in the video are completely free for the users, but they deduct some conversion fee and charges according to their policies and services. I will be back with the next video very soon, so please subscribe to the channel right now. Bye bye.